Managing your orders. In this lecture, I will show you how you manage your orders in Woocommerce. Navigate to the Woocommerce tab and to the Order tab. You will see that right over here, you got a list of orders. So people that bought something for your website, they will appear here. So this is the last order that is placed. That is me, for an example. And right over here you can see the date, you can change the status of the order, you can see the street name and all that kind of stuff. And you will see here the list of jackets that have been ordered, so that's great. So you know now how to manage your orders, and if something you know now where it appears if something buys something from your website, it appears right over there. So right over here with the name of the customer and the date and the product and all that kind of stuff. So this is how you manage your orders. So that's great. So yeah, I've showed you how to manage them and how you can change the status right over there. And yeah, that was it for this lecture. So I will see you soon.